Let's crochet the soil with the coffee yarn. This one is done. Start to demonstrate. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Bring to index finger. Wind around the middle finger. Pinch with your thumb. Use a thicker end to crochet. Pass through the cast-on ring. The loop on the middle finger. Wind and yarn over. Wind. Yarn over. This is a cast-on. The first lap, we need to crochet 6 single crochets. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Go on, pass through. Wind and yarn over. The hook of the crochet is down. Yarn over the 2 loops. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind, yarn over the 2 loops. The 4th. The 5th. The 6th. Wind and yarn over. Wind, yarn over the 2 loops. These 6 single crochets are done. Tighten the loop. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch to form a ring. Place a marker. Place a marker in this. Place the first stitch. Easy to find in the needle. This stitch. V-shaped is a stitch. Make a slip stitch in this. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Yarn over the loop. Tighten it. Adjust the loop. The slip stitch is done. The first lap is done. Crochet a cast-on. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast-on. The second lap is crochet 6 increases. The increase is crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Continue another single crochet. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Yarn over. Go on, crochet 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Continue another single crochet. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet 2 single crochet in the next stitch. There are 12 stitches after the second lap. This is done. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch to form a ring. The third lap. Crochet a cast-on. The third is 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Crochet a single crochet in the slip stitch. Crochet an increase of single crochet in the next stitch. is 2 single crochets. Continue another single crochet. This is an increase. Continue in this way. 1 single crochet. 1 increase. There are 18 after the third lap. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Tighten it. The fourth, crochet a chain stitch as a cast on. The fourth is 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Crochet a single crochet in the slip stitch. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. These are 2 single crochets. Crochet and increase in the next stitch. Continue in this way. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. 1 increase. There are 24 stitches after that. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Pull up the loop. Cut off. Yarn over the tail of the yarn from the first stitch. Yarn over. Use a needle to hide it. The soil is okay.